Is the Uplay R164 DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. To start fixing Uplay R164 manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Uplay R164, the 64-bit client-side library for the Ubisoft Connect platform. It manages user achievements, cloud-save synchronization, and DRM entitlement checks for 64-bit Ubisoft titles. Because it hooks into game memory to intercept license checks, it is a primary target for Windows security false positive deletions. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The presence of the Uplay R164 DLL error indicates that your graphics runtime needs attention. I recommend using the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to fix legacy DirectX components, followed by a driver update to support any underlying hardware-accelerated files. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Uplay R164. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Installing an unverified version of Uplay R164 DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Uplay R164 dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Uplay R164 from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.